It's 2018 and gaming laptops have become affordable and powerful. And one of those laptops is the ASUS TUF Gaming FX504 powered by the latest 8th generation processor. The FX504 is the first TUF gaming laptop that surely defines durability. The TUF gaming laptop comes with an anti-dust cooling system that helps to keep dust away, that gives the best CPU and GPU cooling for a longer period of time than any other gaming laptops. One of the cool things about this laptop is that it comes with 120Hz of high refresh rate display with 1080p resolution, which makes the gaming visual smooth and shutter free. The display comes with the matte finish that gives wide viewing angle to ensure that gaming at any lighting condition. Along with the 120Hz display, this gaming laptop comes with a very decent specs for the price. It comes loaded with up to NVIDIA GTX1050 Ti and comes with 8th generation Intel Core i5 and i7 processor. The laptop comes with 16GB RAM, which can be expandable up to 32GB. It also comes with the fastest 1TB FireCuda SATA hard drive and up to 256GB of M.2 SSD. This laptop keyboard needs some improvement as the laptop comes with a single red color backlit keyboard with WASD highlighted keys. The laptop comes with 1.8mm key travel, which seems decent for gaming. Trust me, you will take some time to you get used to this keyboard. Keeping connectivity in mind, the laptop has all the necessary connectivity options to fulfill your basic needs. So, this is all about the ASUS TUF Gaming FX504. If you have any query about this laptop, do ask us in the comment below and do subscribe to our channel for daily update.